Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I wanted to share with you a Sunday reset, or I should say how I get my house ready for the week ahead so the week runs as smooth as possible. As usual, it involves some form of house cleaning and organization, so I thought it was fitted to include it in the Monday video where I post my cleaning videos. So usually on Sundays I have started just recently. I used to do it on Monday. I used to do it on Sundays, and I switched it to Mondays, and then I'm back to Sundays. I remove my sheets and I throw them in a wash. I get my kids to do the same thing for their sheets as well. So once the sheets are off my bed, like I said, I throw them, while I put them in front of my laundry room. I don't throw them in a wash right away, and I put a fresh new sheets, and I have two sets that I rotate. Then I make my bed. If I'm being honest with you guys, I usually don't make my bed on Saturdays. It's like my day off from doing my morning chores. Sometimes I'm just so lazy on Saturday morning. Sometimes I have to get up and go right away, but I would say maybe 65% of the times I don't make my bed. Then I tidy up. Anything that needs to be tidied up usually involves my vanity and some clothes off the floor, as well as tidying up the bathroom. This is pretty much my morning routine every day, but it is an important routine on Sundays to set the week right, because I find that if I don't start off with a tidied house or a nice clean house, then my whole week kind of doesn't run smooth. So almost done my laundry. By this point on Sunday I only have usually two loads, which is towels and sheets, and right now I'm emptying the dryer and just switching it. I have to, most Fridays I have to wash all the uniform that my kids wear to school, and then I just wash darks and lights to go with it. Give it to the kids to sort it out and put it away, their own, and then I put our laundry away. My kids usually are the ones that empty the dryer on weeknights, but as you can see, that's all I have left is now that load, because I just put a load of towels in. So like I was saying, most of the weeknights my kids empty the dryer and they are responsible for putting their own stuff away. And I do laundry pretty much every day. I think I was saying, I don't know if I said it on YouTube or to somebody, that I most likely don't do laundry on Thursdays, because it's just the way it works out that I don't have enough loads to run it. So then I move downstairs and I just tidy it up. Usually it's only the family room that needs a quick tidying, because I clean my house on Fridays and Thursdays, so it's fairly clean everywhere else, just the spaces that we spend the most time on. If on Sundays we like to prepare dinners, so I don't clean the kitchen till later at night. I also get some planning done at this time. I like to plan out my schedule for the daycare. I do editing on Sunday mornings as well, so get that out of the way. Answer any emails that need to be answered. Any odds and ends that I didn't get to over the week, I get them done. And like I said, plan out my week for next week, for daycare, for my to-do lists, appointments, anything really that needs some planning. I also get my menu done for daycare as well at this time. Another thing that I do is I don't empty my purse every single week, but I was doing it this week, so I thought I shared with you. But I clean out my purse. I usually need all my receipts for tax purposes, so my purse is usually full of receipts, papers, sometimes grocery lists are in there, so I like to get all that emptied out, charge up my portable chargers or anything, and so that way I have a nice clean purse for the week. Another thing that I do is get my daycare room set up. Usually it's fairly clean because I try and clean everything up on Fridays except the floor. So I clean the floor, put some dishes away from Friday lunch that I didn't do, because by Friday afternoon we usually are done playing downstairs. So I just once the dishwasher is done at night, I bring the dishes down and then I just put them away on Sunday. I also vacuum up the floor and give it a quick wash. I also like to go over my planning notes and post them up on my wall downstairs, as well as the wall in my mudroom, where it's like the parent information board, which is right here. And I have lunch posted there and the activities. I also transfer my lunch and breakfast stuff onto this board in my pantry, so that way everybody can see what's on the menu. So these are just few things that take me altogether, if I don't count in the editing, about maybe an hour and a half, and it makes it ensures that my week runs as smooth as possible. So I try to do this every single Sunday. Sometimes life gets in the way and I don't get to do it, but when I have time, I like to get it all done and planned out, so that way come Monday I hit the ground running. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was inspirational, and until next time, have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.